Hey y'all, it's your boy Darkahontas, and today I'm coming at you with another tutorial, honey. Today we're going to be doing a baby blue ombre with a little rhinestone accent to really set it off. All right. If anything, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for a fatty, and share, because sharing is the only type of caring we like in this household. You dig me? If anything, let's go ahead and get into this video, darling. Let's go! All right, my darlings, we are back with another tutorial. And today, baby, we're going to be doing a sweet and simple blue ombre with just a little rhinestones to accent it. I went ahead and did my other hand off camera, and we're going to do this one together. So first, I'm going to go in using the Modelons gel nail polish. This is just a sky blue. This is 1206 if you end up buying this one. This is from the Coloring Life collection for Model 1s. Yes, you can get it off of Amazon. And I'm just going to paint about a little more than half of the nail. That's where I want the ombre. And you're just going to stop where you want your ombre to stop at. So about, I would say 2/3 of the nail. Anyways, how you guys are doing so far? How is everything going? I hope you guys are having a good month. I hope everything is going right for you guys here in April. I hope everything is going right for you. I hope ain't nothing bad, no bad vibes. All good vibes here. This is what? There's really no holidays in this month, to be honest. I'm going to be using this tool here, which is a ombre blending brush. And pretty much how you use it is, it's just, you use it and you just tap in between those colors. Bam. And you see how it ombre? Yeah, and you're just going to do that. So you're just tapping. That's all you're doing. Is you're tapping in between and bringing it down just a little, because you do want the ombre to follow. And this is just an easy tool to use if you want to do an ombre with nail polish. Right. All you got to do is just do soft tapping motions all around the nails to get it to where you want it to be. But yes, everything is going good for me. Just bills and work, y'all. Bills and work and bills. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to do a second layer and also blend that. While I'm waiting for that to go ahead and blend, let's just talk for a minute. Let's just talk for a minute, guys. Talk about nails. So I feel like a lot of stipulations. There's a lot of what do you call them? Narratives when it comes to long nails. I feel like people are so fascinated by people that wear long nails because it's not something that they're used to. And I feel like people ask very personal questions when it comes to people who wear long nails. Like, how do you wipe your butt and stuff like that? Like, those questions that you wouldn't just really ask like a person, to be honest. But a lot of people ask people that with long nails. It's like we wipe our ass the same way y'all wipe y'all. It doesn't make any difference. Nails are just an extension. That's all there is. That's why it's called nail extension. It's in the name. It's just an extension of your fingertips. Some people have their method of how they do it. Like I use the tip of my nails to do it because my nails are pretty strong. And that's why you have to also, you know, wash your hands. Duh. But I use my nails. I feel like when it comes to that, a lot of people are scared of getting longer nails because of the simple fact that they feel like they're not going to be able to do anything if they do. Like to this, so this is like my nails is like extra, like XXL. It's like extra, extra large is what my nails are considered. Some people couldn't even function a little if they had like this nail, the nails this long, right? Like my nails are considered to be like extra, extra long. Bam. And that's just quick and easy. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. And then we're going to come back and we're just going to add a little rhinestone accent to this finger right here. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Plus I need to do my thumb off camera. All right, y'all. So I went ahead and I cured that second layer and I put a top coat on. Now let's go ahead and get into putting on some rhinestones. First, I'm going to use the Macard rhinestone glue. If anybody knows and you've been watching my channel, I stand by this glue. This is probably one of the best rhinestone glues I have personally used so far. And I stick beside it. I'm going to stick beside it. But this rhinestone glue has never led me wrong. I believe you guys should try it out too. So we're just going to put this almost around the cuticle part. And I have some rhinestones here. I'm going to be using these 4 sizes. First, I'm going to start off with one of the biggest size. Put that right there. Then we're going to do the next size. And we're going to do 2 of those on each side. And then the next size. And then the next size, which is the smallest size. And that's pretty much the nail design, to be honest. I'm gonna cure this for 60 seconds. And then we're gonna get into the final reveal, y'all. All right, so I guess I'll see y'all at the end. All right, y'all. So before we end this video, I want to say how important it is to make sure that you're keeping your hands hydrated, because I haven't been doing that lately and my hands have been cracking like crazy. Oh my God, I'm talking about the amount of crackage on my fingers is ridiculous. That's also why cuticle oil can be a lifesaver, because it helps hydrate the cuticle so that you don't have to worry about the cuticle splitting and you have all these dead hairs and hands and stuff on your hands. But other than that, the time has come, y'all. We're at the end of this video and you guys have stuff to do. I have stuff to do and I don't want to hold y'all up for it. Thank you guys for stopping by and letting me showcase my talent to you guys. I hope my content is giving what it needs to give on the day that it was given, because I always try to give y'all something that you can feel. You heard me? And that's the what? That's the T, Marie. All right? All right. Other than that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for a baddie, yaddy, yaddy, and share, because sharing is caring, and that's the only type of caring we like in this household. You dig? Other than that, I'm not going to really hold y'all up for too much. I really love how this ombre came out. Came out so effortless. and I just love doing. I haven't done one in a while, so I'm glad that I got to do one here on camera today. Other than that, until next time, peace.